Welcome back, everybody. Day 12. Wow, can't believe I've kept this up for 12 days. But like I say, I'm enjoying it and finding out what different birds I can put to the jigsaw puzzle. So, today's word is shattered. And there's not really a lot that you can do with the word shattered when it comes to birds. So, I was out and about the other day and I was looking out the window, and we have two different types of woodpeckers where I live. We have a green one and we have a pied one, which is red, white and black. And I remembered a piece of wood that me and Eddie picked up when we lived in Salford, and it was what we call the woodpecker wood, and it's obviously fallen from a tree that's come down, and it's a piece of wood with perfectly round holes in it made by a woodpecker. So this is the tale of Arnold the woodpecker. Now Arnold the woodpecker was a very, very proud little bird, and he would fly from tree to tree and hammer all day, much to the annoyance of the other animals. The owls would shout, "I'm trying to sleep. Will you shut up?" But Arnold kept on banging. The deer in the wood left the wood all day to graze in the meadows because the hammering gave them such a headache. "Arnold, will you shut up?" they shouted. But Arnold carried on hammering away. The squirrels fell out the trees because his hammering vibrated against the trunk. "Arnold, will you shut up?" But Arnold carried on banging all day. The only people who didn't seem to notice Arnold's hammering was the crows, because they were so noisy themselves, squawking, pat, 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 that their noise drowned Arnold. But Arnold carried on all day. Tap, 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 tap. So one day, the other animals in the wood had an idea. Why didn't they set Arnold a competition? So the owl held a meeting. What if they gave Arnold a challenge? "Well, what would the challenge be?" said the rabbits. "I can't think of anything," said the squirrels. "I know," said the deers. "Why don't we see if Arnold can hammer a hole in the hardest tree?" "Arnold, Arnold, come over here," shouted the owl. "We have a competition for you." "What? What?" Arnold flew over. "What's this?" "I bet you can't hammer a hole in the English oak tree." "Piece of cake," said Arnold. "No, I bet you can't do it. It's the hardest tree in the wood," said the owl. "Well, what's the prize if I win?" "The prize is we all promise to wear ear defenders when you knock." "Okay," said Arnold, and off he flew. Tap, 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 tap. Oh, that's a pine. Tap, 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 tap. That's an ash. Tap, 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 tap. That's a horse chestnut. Tap, 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 tap. That's a yew. "I found the English oak tree," said Arnold. The oak tree stood in the middle of the field, so he could hammer all day and not disturb anybody. But Arnold was a bit proud. But unfortunately for Arnold, his beak shattered because the tree was so hard. What a sad little tale. What is worse is all the other creatures missed the tap, 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 tap of Arnold. And so they went off to Wix's and they bought him a new beak so he could go tap, 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 tap. And none of the animals ever minded Arnold's new little tap. Tin, 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 tin. I hope you enjoyed that little tale. What bird will it be tomorrow?